What happens when you put baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar on an egg?
It's not just an experiment, it's a science party. First, let's make the baking soda paste. Choose your favorite food coloring and add a few drops to the baking soda with a tiny splash of water. Mix it well until it becomes a thick, smooth sludge.
Next, paint the paste all over your white egg. Pro tip: the thicker you paint the paste, the bigger and cooler the fizz will be when you pour the vinegar on later. When we pour vinegar over this baking soda paste, they react instantly to neutralize each other. These create thousands of tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, and those bubbles carry the color all over the shell for a cool, splattered look. You might be wondering, wait, won't vinegar dissolve the eggshell? Well, yes, but only if you soak it for a whole day. In this quick experiment, the vinegar just ages or cleans the surface. This helps the food coloring stick much better, making your colors look brighter and last longer. Want to try a different way? Grab some kitchen tissues and draw on it with the color markers. Wrap the tissue around the egg and spray it with a little vinegar. The vinegar carries the ink from the tissue right onto the shell to create a beautiful marble design. This is the perfect mix chemistry and art. Let us know how your egg turned out if you try this at home.